Welcome back my Junior KG Smarties. Are you ready to solve one more worksheet? Yes? Then come along with Kuldeep teacher and let us together solve this simple worksheet on farm animals. So children, top of the worksheet here you will write today's date, that is 17.12.21. You will write your division in this place and your name in the space given here. Let's begin with the first question. See the pictures and write letter F for farm animals in the given box below. So children, there are pictures of animals here. Yes, and there are also small boxes below each picture. All you have to do is look at the picture carefully and write letter F for farm animals in the box given. Let's begin with the first picture. Yes, it's a rabbit. Tell me, is rabbit a farm animal? Yes. So in this box, below the rabbit, with your pencil, you are going to write letter F because it is a farm animal. So one standing line, one sleeping line, another sleeping line makes letter F. Okay? Now see the next picture. Which picture is this, children? It's a bear. Is bear a farm animal, children? No, it's not a farm animal. So we are not going to write in this box. Come to the next picture. Yes, you guessed it right. It's a donkey. And donkey is a farm animal. So in this box, we are again going to write letter F like this. Now, the next picture. It's an elephant. But we don't see elephant on farms. So it is not a farm animal. Yes, we are not going to write anything in this box. The last picture. Yes, absolutely right. It's a cow. And cow is a farm animal. So we are going to write letter F for farm animal. So we are done with the first question. Let's see the second question. Draw the missing parts of this farm animal. Children, which farm animal is this? Any guesses? Yes, you are correct. It is a pig. But don't you think something is missing on the pig's face? Yes, it's the snout. So, you are going to take your black color crayon and draw the snout like this. Here we go and we are done. Bottom of the page, third question. Which farm bird will eat this? Draw the picture in the given box. So children, here you have to draw a farm bird which likes to eat fish. Any guesses? Yes, it's a duck. So in this given box, we are going to draw a duck. Okay, so here we go. You are going to, with your crayon, you will draw a duck like this. The eyes, the beak, okay, the tail, and legs. Here. So, duck likes to eat fish. So, children, we are done with the third question also. Now, you will turn your worksheet. Okay? Now, the fourth question. Listen carefully and then draw the picture. I am a farm animal. You love to ride on me. I begin with the letter H. Draw me here. So children, there is space given here. You have to draw a farm animal which begins with letter H? Yes, it's a horse. So with your brown color crayon, you are going to draw a horse over here. So let's begin. For horse, we are going to write letter H. Okay? Like this. Alright. Now we are going to make the face, eyes, ears of the horse. Here we are going to make the mane. Alright. Body of the horse. The legs. And the tail. Alright. So here our horse is ready. Let's see the fifth question. This farm animal is useful for us to make sweaters and shawls. Draw what is missing. Children, any guesses? Which is this farm animal? You have already learnt it. Yes, it's a sheep. And sheep gives us wool. So, what is missing on the body of the sheep? It's the wool. So, with your black color crayon, we are going to make the wool on the body of the sheep. So here you are going to scribble like this, okay? Like this. You will go in, out, again, in. We are going to scribble like this. One more line. In, out, in, okay? So, here our sheep is complete. Yes, children. Children, we move on to question number 6 at the bottom of the worksheet. Draw the food of these following farm animals. Which farm animal is this? Yes, it's a hen. And what does hen likes to eat, children? Quickly. Yes, it likes to eat grains. So with your brown color crayon, in the small box given here, you are going to put dots and make grains for the hen. Now, which is this farm animal? Absolutely right. It's a goat. And goat likes to eat green grass. So for green grass, you are going to take your green color crayon and draw grass like this for our goat. Like this, okay? So children, with this, we are done with our worksheet. Take care and bye till we meet again.